Understanding Tumble Dry, a guide to laundry care symbols. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common phrase that you might come across while doing laundry or shopping for clothes: tumble dry. Understanding this term is not only useful for taking care of your clothes but also for enhancing your English vocabulary and comprehension. So, let's dive into what tumble dry means and how you can use this knowledge in your daily life. Tumble dry is a term used to describe a method of drying clothes. It involves the use of a dryer, a household appliance that removes moisture from wet garments, linens, and other textiles by rotating them in a drum with warm air flow. The word tumble refers to the falling motion of the clothes as they are continuously tossed and turned in the dryer. This motion, combined with the heat, helps to dry the clothes quickly and makes them fluffy and soft. Clothing labels often use symbols to give instructions on how to care for that item. When you see a square with a circle inside on a label, it means the garment can be tumble dried. However, other details might be included, such as a single dot inside the circle indicates a low temperature setting. 2 dots inside the circle mean that the item can be dried at a normal temperature. A cross over the tumble dry symbol suggests that the item should not be tumble dried. Understanding these symbols ensures that you care for your clothing properly, which helps them last longer and maintain their quality. It's important to know when to tumble dry your clothes. Some materials can shrink, warp, or even get damaged when exposed to high heat. For example, cotton, linen, and wool often require different care when tumble drying. Additionally, using the tumble dry method is perfect for times when you need to dry clothes quickly or when you want to avoid the wrinkles that can come from air drying. While tumble drying is convenient, it's not always the best method for every garment. Alternatives include air drying, hanging clothes outside or inside on a drying rack; flat drying, laying garments out flat, which is ideal for sweaters or delicate items; iron drying. Some people partially dry clothes and then use an iron to both dry and remove wrinkles simultaneously. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion about what tumble dry means and when to use it. Remember to always check the care label on your garments to keep them looking their best. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips and tricks. Happy laundering, and I'll see you in the next video.